Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the keyboard recognized. Plug in via USB-C or pair over Bluetooth, and then open the Royal Kludge configuration app. Once done, create a new profile so your changes don't overwrite defaults. In the app, pick your exact model. This ensures keycodes map correctly. Now make the first change. Enable a secondary layer or numeric layer in the UI so the keyboard can output numeric keycodes. This immediate setup moves you past basic setup and into actionable mapping. Next, you'll assign numeric keycodes. In the chosen layer, click each target key and pick keycode 0 through keycode 9. You can also group keys to mimic a numpad. Make decisions about tap versus hold behavior, tap for quick digits, hold for shifted symbols, and set debounce if available. Once assignments are complete, name and save the profile, then write it to the keyboard's onboard memory so the layout persists after reboot. Test typing in a simple text editor to confirm the mapping works. Finally, enable the numeric layer using the FN layer toggle you configured, or the keyboard's layer switch and type numbers into a text editor. Make sure key presses register as digits. If not, update the keyboard firmware from the app and reinstall the Royal Kludge software, then reload your saved profile. If problems continue, restore the default profile and reapply your changes, or try the keyboard on another device to rule out OS input issues. One key troubleshooting tip: firmware and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.